Hi, I'm Dan Bloom from Stonehenge Masonry. Today, I'm going to be installing an angle iron or steel lintel above this door opening to support the bricks above. So our lintel fits in place. Next thing, throw the level on, make sure we're level. Okay, so our bricks on either side of the opening are very slightly out of level. So before I install the angle iron, I'm gonna raise up one side a fraction, just enough to level it out without anybody actually noticing. Now that we've got our angle iron installed, it's level, we're gonna start placing the bricks on top of them. Now, like usual, I'm dry bonding all the bricks first to make sure that an even amount of bricks are gonna fit into the opening and see if I have to do any cuts. See here, we're using reclaimed bricks that are original to the house. That way, it should match basically perfectly. So you can see here, I have a big head joint. So I'm gonna expand all these joints the whole way down to get correct spacing. Now that I've got the bricks bonded out and I have my correct head joint spacing, I'm going to make little marks on the angle iron over here, so that way when I'm laying the brick, I know where to position it, so my joints don't get too big or too small. So it turns out I will have to use a little bit of mortar on the angle iron because from the left side to the right side, the wall isn't level. So I'm going to put a bit of mortar on the angle iron, make sure I can level the center with the bricks on either side. Of course, all dry modded out. I'm going to go ahead and lay those and finish this lintel off. So usually for a closure, I'll put a little bit of mortar on the top. Just a little bit less I have to point in when I'm done. So this brick here is the final closure. Now, usually I'd butter the end of the brick, but this brick, all the buttering I put on is going to fall off. So I'm going to fill the mortar inside the wall. Now, one important thing is it's always easy to fill the front. It's really hard to fill the back. So when I do butter, I make sure to get lots of mortar at that back, so I know I have a completely filled in joint. So I've got all the final pointing in. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this down and we'll be all done for today.